In number 3, I found out that there's something that's doubling every 15 days. So that's going to be my k, which is my doubling time, and which is equal to 15 days. Now they did tell me they were generous and gave me my equation, capital A equals to the initial amount, 2 because of doubling, t is the time, over k, which is the doubling time. And then if I recently have 4 pounds in my pond, 4 pounds, how many pounds will I have after 110 days? So they gave me the initial amount, and they gave me the t, which is 110, and they want the final amount. So you just plug in the numbers. So the initial amount is going to be 4, 2, and then t, which is 110 over 15. Again, this is strictly a calculator problem since 110 divided by 15 is going to give me a decimal number. So I expect you then to do it on a calculator, as you can see. So this is a strictly calculator problem. So once you know what each letter stands for, then it will be very easy. Remember, to create a fraction, you go to alpha y equals, press enter. So I put 110 on top, and I put 15 on the bottom, and that's going to be how many I'll have in 110 days. And that's 645. So A is going to be 645. Now, they're telling me in part B that if there were 224 pounds after 90 days, how many pounds were there on the first day? So basically now they want the initial amount, and they told me that after 90 days, which is the t now, because the doubling time does not change, k is 15, and the final amount is 224. So let's use the formula again. Now 224 equals a 2 to the power t, which is 90 in this case, over 15. Now, I don't know why I put this. This is the time. Here I should have a variable a. Okay, so now to find a, now we can do this algebraically, because basically 90 divided by 15 is a 6. So 2 to the power 6. And then I can write 224 equals a times 64, because 2 to the power 6 is 64. Let's double check. 90 divided by 15 is a 6. So we can do this algebraically. Then to find a, you can divide both sides by 64. So a is equal to 224 divided by 64, which is in this case 3.5. Now again, you could have, so this is the initial amount. This is how many pounds I had at the beginning. Now you could have included the whole thing. Could you have included the whole thing in your calculator? No, because you needed a. So you need to find this first, which I did. I got 64. And then you have to divide by 64 to get a. And that's part B in number 3.